Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by measuring and sanitizing. This prevents spoilage and preserves flavor. Use 1, 2 or 1, 3 dried oregano to oil, olive or grapeseed are stable. Warm the oil gently to about 40-50 degrees C to activate aromatics. Do not fry. Once warm, place the dried oregano in a sterilized jar and pour the oil over it, fully submerging the herb so no air pockets remain. Make sure to seal and label the jar with the start date before moving to the infusion stage. Once the jar is sealed, choose your infusion method based on time and control. For speed, use a bain-marie. Keep water simmering, maintain 45-55 degrees C for 2-3 hours, and stir so heat distributes, which extracts compounds efficiently. For a gentler extraction, place the jar in a sunny window for 4-6 weeks and shake daily to mix. Make sure to monitor aroma and color. If the scent becomes off or the oil darkens unusually, stop and check for contamination. You finish by straining. Line a funnel with a coffee filter and pour, then press the herb solids to recover as much oil as possible. This concentrates the extract. Transfer to dark glass bottles, fill to the shoulder to limit oxygen, and label with the date. Store in a cool, dark place. Expect 6-12 months shelf life. If you detect cloudiness, fizzing, or off smells, discard immediately if the oil is weak. Reinfuse using fresh dried oregano and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.